Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. Today I am going to share the information regarding athletics. If you want to participate in athletics, you can participate in a track events and field events also. Both you can participate. The first of all, what are the track events that I am going to discuss? See, we divided into three categories. One is short distance race, second is medium distance race, and third is long distance race. Short distance race 100 meter, 200 meter, and 400 meter. Middle distance race 600 meter, 800 meter, and 1500 meter. Long distance race like 3000 steeplechase, 5000 and 10,000 meters. Another we have road race like cross country and marathon race. So these are the track events. If we talk about field events, then we have long jump, high jump, shot put, discus throw, javelin throw, and hammer throw. These are the field events. So about short distance race, the stance that I taught you earlier also, on your mark, set and go. But the middle distance race and long distance race, there is no sitting starts. There is standing starts. And how to take standing starts? That is like this only. Keep your both arms near your waist and full concentration on clappers, या maybe gunshot. So these are the track events. Now if we talk about field events, the first of all we have long jump. The long jump, it's a very important for everyone. See here the speed and strength, basically two components required. Three techniques are using in long jump. One is hitch kick style, second is hang style, and third is cycling style. What is important in long jump? While landing, to keep your body weight forward. If there is misbalance, so there is huge loss to the athlete. The approachment required like 30 to 40 meters, where the stopboard is there, where you have to put your full strength and take your right leg up, and techniques you can apply as hitch kick, cycling styles, and third is hang style. So this is about long jump. Now we have another field event, that is high jump. High jump is very techniqueful and skillful event. The athletes needs very less body weight and obviously the explosive strength in legs. Three techniques are there. One is saddle roll, another is scissor cut, and third one is Fosbury style. The saddle roll nowadays no one is using because this is outdated. The scissor cut, it's a simple technique. Everyone can easily cross it after few days training. But the Fosbury is a modern techniques. All the international, national and professional athlete, they are using Fosbury techniques. And for Fosbury techniques, we need quality crash mats and spongy matters, so that when athletes lands, so there is no back injury and head injuries. So what is important in high jump? There is one crossbar. While crossing crossbar, the crossbar should not fall down. If it is fell down, that is invalid jump. Third one is we have shot put. Shot put is very important. It's required basically lots of weight and strength in your shoulder and arms. So how to hold the shot put, that I'm going to teach you. This is shot put, and first of all, the how to hold the shot put. 3 fingers at the back and 2 fingers in the front. This is grip of the shot put. Now another thing is how to place, where to place. That is near the collarbone, not behind the collarbone. On the collarbone you have to keep shot put. And while putting shot put, we are three techniques using. One is Periobrand style, second is disco pot styles, and third is orthodox styles. See here, the athlete is must have strong power, strong legs, and lots of body weight required. Three chances will be given. Best distance that will be counted. So this is about shot put. Next we have discus throw. Basically discus throw for girls 1 kg and for boys 2 kg weight for the discus. Now how to hold the discus? So first of all, keep your discus like this, and with the fingertips you have to hold it with the flatten your hand, and after that keep swinging your discus, and well you're about to throw, and throw from here. And what is important in discus? Discus must travel in the air like this only. You should not travel like this, otherwise you will not get the maximum distance. Okay, so this is about discus throw. Next we have javelin throw. Javelin throw, it's a very important, and here the lots of strength required in arms, and obviously you need to accelerate your maximum speed when you throw this javelin throw. What is important in this, when this javelin throw land the ground, it's the edge of javelin throw must be grounded first, like this only. If the tail lands first, that is invalid throw. Okay, so these are about field events. So dear students, I have discussed about track events and field events. So wherever you find place, you can practice. Hopefully you have learned. Thank you very much.